Hey everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm back with another tutorial content on how to easily log into your Citibank credit card account. If you'd like to get access to your credit card on the go, send and receive payments, receive your transaction alerts and much more, then keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon right next to it so that you'll never miss another upcoming update from us. In order to log into your credit card account for Citibank, open up a web browser. In the web address bar that pops up at the top, type in Citibank credit card login and press enter. On the next page where all of the search results are displayed, click on the second link right here where it says Citi India Credit Cards, Personal and Home Loans option. This will take you to the official web page of Citibank, which looks like this. With this official web page, you can also get access to your credit card account. Go to the login button at the top right hand corner and give it a click in order to bring up the login area. Type in your credentials, that is your user ID, in the first text box. Make sure to enter the correct information, and in case you've forgotten your username, you can click on this Forgot User ID link and follow the on-screen prompts to look for it. After you're done entering your credential, go to the next field and you can choose whether you'd like to enter your internet password or your query password. Simply choose one of the options and type in your password in the text box beneath. After you're done, click the login button in green, and that is how you'll be able to log into your credit card account on Citibank. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.